Across the country, our middle schools and high schools are full of amazing students with unlimited potential. Every one of them is wired in their own unique way. It's what makes them so great. But if they're surrounded by the wrong learning environment for their learning style, it could also be what sets them up for both short and long-term failures. Be a Pathfinder is an opportunity for students and their parents to really take a step back and discover the learning style that fits best by taking an online assessment. They'll even receive a customized report that helps students both visualize and chart a more successful future for themselves. Visit techforce.org/mypath to discover your learning style and path to success. You might just be surprised at what you discover.